Welcome to your channel Myra Pro, hope you enjoyed with this video. So, there are many different controllers to choose from on the market today, with all different sizes and layouts. But in this video I present to you one of the best cheap controller for your Android device. I'm talking here about the iPega PG9068 from iPega. Firstly, when you open the box you will find the iPega controller. I have here the black color, and you will find also quick start guide and a USB cable. The iPega PG9068, one of the best Bluetooth game controller on the market right now, with a perfect design, similar to the Xbox One controller, and the perfect and comfortable buttons. This controller is designed to work with iPhone and iPad as well as most of the Android smartphone and tablet, PC, TV box, smart TV etc. Also it support playing games on Bluetooth-enabled Android 3.2 and above without any drivers. And while it works flawlessly with the Android devices, I tested it with my Galaxy Note 5 and Galaxy S7 Edge and it works without any problems. The controller offers 2 analog sticks, a D-pad, 4 main action buttons on the face, A, B, X and Y, a start and select button, turbo acceleration key, and other buttons to switch between modes. In the backside it have 4 buttons, R1, R2, L1 and L2, and a USB charger port. It's have also a mobile stand compatible with phones of different sizes up to 6 inches. Under that stand you will find a power button and 4 lights in blue color to see if the controller are working or not, or to see which of the modes are working. The iPega PG9068 has a rechargeable battery with 500 mAh, also it has power saving function that making it working for long time. So, how to connect it with your device? It very simple, just one click on the power button and the 4 lights LED will flash, then go to your Bluetooth setting on your phone and you will find PG9068, tap on it and the controller will connect with your phone. To know how to connect with the other devices, please read the quick start guide. It very simple steps. You can play any games that support the controller without any problems. The gamepad will enter into sleeping mode if not used for 5 minutes. To reconnect it, just press the home button for wake up and it will reconnect automatically. With that out of the way, how do I personally feel about this controller? Out of all the controllers, this is the one I found myself reaching for more often than not, especially when utilizing it with my Note 5. The iPega not only functions great, it also feel pretty good in the hands, with enough weight to make it feel substantial and solid, but not so much that's overly bulky. Bottom line, I highly recommend this control if you're looking for something that not only feels great, but adds several unique extra features like wireless mouse, media controller, keyboard controller and so on. The iPega PG9068 will cost you just $23, you can purchase it from the link below in the description box. Finally, here is quick part of gameplay with these controller. Please help me by sharing this video. You will not lose anything if you shared this video, and your click on the like button means a lot to me. At last, subscribe on the channel to get my latest videos. Thanks a lot for your time. If you liked this video, please share it. and don't forget to subscribe to get last updates. Thank you for your time.